Hi. So for the lab 5, I have created three applications. The first one is the Candy Store, and that's the application that was supposed to complete from the book, and it was straight forward. They followed the book structure. It was so helpful to create this application. So this is the code, and now I'm launching the app or debugging the app. So while we are waiting for the application, I have created a database manager, Java class, and insert activity candy class, candy button. And for the layout, I have created this layout for the proposed for the insert data. So this is the candy store application. All buttons are functioning. The first one is this. Price error. That one can be added. Then $2. Then I will pick candy and give it $2. So here are all the candies that I have added to the application, and when I click it, the calculations, as you see here on the button. Then if I reset, it will delete it and start again. And two other functions for the application. The first one is delete. So I will delete the candy and can be deleted. And also the update function that I will add the price for the candy $3. Candy updated back, and as you see here, candy are updated. This is it. And that's for the candy store application. The second application will be the same as the candy store. I use the same techniques with the database, and also I have used the mostly the same databases or the same classes. What I was trying to do with I'm still waiting for the debugging. So what I try to do is be more creative, but creating a button that will add, when you hit the button, it will go to the update information, so you can do the updating. But I couldn't figure out how to do that exactly. So what I did is it will be the same thing here. Add the first name. Say last name will be Gabby. Email will be email. Add friend added. Go back and add it. I'm gonna delete here. Friends. Deleted. Back. as you see, hit the edit. Banana update, friends updated, banana. That's for the managing friends application. And for the third application, I have the to-do list, and I made it a little bit in a different way, where I use more Java. Here is, I'm sorry. Here's the layout. Just to show here. Yeah, I use the line of layout to do the listing thing. Then in the main activity, uh, I did a list or array list. Then I use the click button for the activities. So if I click on the button, activity, delete activity or that task will happen. On pause, that's where the main page will be updated with the new information. And here, where we save the information, use the input string and output string to save the file. And here I did the adapter where all the data will be processing. And here's the listing application. I didn't pass. I guess the colors for the bottom are not. So since I changed the colors, but they're working. It's a homework. Add, add it. When I hit it, it will be done. And yes, it will delete it. And no, it will not delete the task. I'm gonna fix the coloring for that right now. Thank you. That's my applications. I think